Hello everyone. Being polite and empathetic, this is something that OET demands in speaking and writing as well. So today, I'm here with some phrases that you can use in OET speaking to make it more polite, especially when you give advices. So here we begin. I advise you. We suggest you. We recommend you. I request you. It's a good idea. It is recommendable. It is advisable. Here are the phrases that you can use in OET speaking to make it more polite when you give advices. So let's see some examples with the same phrases. The very first one is I advise you. I advise you to make some lifestyle changes. Second one is we recommend you. We recommend you to go for some regular exercises. I request you. The next thing is I request you to take your medications regularly. The next one is it's a good idea. It's a good idea to go for some regular exercise. It is recommendable. It is recommendable to take your medications regularly. It is advisable. It is advisable to make some lifestyle changes. So that's all for today. I hope it's a useful video for you people. Signing off from Tiju's Academy, this is Aishwarya once again.